check this out. We are on our way to another sort of trunk or treat. Yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. So stay tuned, because we're taking this bad boy. And then I believe my other buddy Chad, Mr. Rally with Rolly's gonna be there. He's got a sweet truck. So you've probably seen it on my channel before. For all you new subscribers, it's a sweet truck. But we're gonna go check out some of these cars. It's not just a trunk or treat, it's like a car show slash trunk or treat. So there's gonna be some cool cars there. So we're gonna go check them out. Maybe Handbrake Jake might show up, I don't know. But we're gonna go, we're gonna have some fun. So stay tuned for some sweet rides. We're gonna go film them. How's it going? Look at this, that's pretty sweet. That is a sweet car. So check this out. We got some other cars here. All these cars over here. Say hi, boys. We got this GTR. Nice. Anyways, we're gonna go talk to a few people. We're gonna see how these cars are. We're gonna do some little trick or treat. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Come here.
We got the headless horseman. The headless horseman has arrived. It's officially a party.
They want to go take a picture with the headless horseman.
Yeah?
Thank you, that's so awesome.
Got an old school bug. These things are sweet. Just kidding. That truck was pretty loud, but I'm a fan of lowriders. Like, I want one. I do. They're pretty sweet. But check this one out. It's got battery packs and the hydros. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, look at that. It's even a Cadillac. Oh.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah,
All right, folks, that's kind of all the cars, but I don't know, nothing special. but we just decided to come out, show our support, just have some fun. Remember, if you're in Utah County, check out FIIZ Drinks. We stop by every Friday. I know it's probably loud. That's why I'm gonna stop filming here. We're gonna go. Yeah. Anyways, like and subscribe. Check it out. Have a good day. Oh, and P.S. Smile. Smile every morning. Do it.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience, yeah.
Look at this right here. So I've met this guy. I just met this guy, but anyways, I follow him on Instagram. It's Big Dooley Nate. Go check him out. He's got some sweet stuff with this truck on Instagram. It's pretty sweet. P.S. Look at that sunset. Woo! Look at the sky. Oh man, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Hi. You learn a man.
This life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.